Engineer with Jimmy. Oh, the Kasa. Those times, time and aqua with radio so Kasano. So a lecturer or a lawyer. Kasa said, or we could be that, or we could be Honoda. Wontumi is facing criminal charges. Criminal charges. Champagne was a lawyer. It is an oya bronya lawyer, but it is a bronya pamon. Don't think Zapia Kubi that filed a charges or whatever he call it, motion to move the case, all the cases to one courtroom. Zapia Kubi. Obiri Boahen unim ejumacha Apia Kubi. Why do you think they are doing that? Because they know the reality on the ground is that after assessing their own boss's case, as stupid as they are, they can also come to their own conclusion. Why is their conclusion that Chairman Wontumi be jailed? It is because they know Chairman Wontumi be jailed. It is because they know. After all these things, you see, Chairman Wontumi, the day judge never bontin because Chairman Wontumi obetro the judgment no. Maybe tonight catch a Ghana for say, let us allow the judge to work. Let us allow the judicial system to work. Why did I do that? Because I feel say Chairman Wontumi can ask them, Attorney General can ask them. They all have the right at the end of the day to present their fact, and they did. They had the right, and nobody stopped Chairman Wontumi, and nobody stopped the Attorney General. So when you come and say maybe say the case now, my judge, what do? We need to sit back. So Chairman Wontumi, at the end of the day, if he's exonerated, it is the court that exonerated him. If Chairman Wontumi, at the end of the day, he is supposed to face Imrana, the court at the end of the day meted that judgment out. So I told Ghana for young people, old people, I said, stay away from the judge's job. Let him do his work. We gave him that job to do. At the end of the day, OTA case, from A to the last part, he knows what he listened to. He saw the evidence before him. As a Ghanaian, as a lawyer, he has also his brains. He's going to write his judgment. Let's sit back. But you can see the preconditioning of minds have started on Chairman Wontumi radio stations. Why? Because to them, from what they saw, following the proceedings, they know Chairman Wontumi is guilty. And it's our study. Now, Chairman Wontumi radio stations, sorry. Oh, Chairman Wontumi, you be jailino. And NGC. No, because at the end of the day, nobody in Ghana knows what the judge is going to come up with. Because the judge has listened to both sides. So why do you think the person who says he's not guilty, his radio station are saying otherwise? Chairman Wontumi say he's not guilty. He knows he's going to come out as victor. He knows he's not going to be jailed. But his radio station is preconditioning the minds of the people on one party to say, Chairman Wontumi be jail. Why do you think they are doing that? Because they know the reality on the ground is that after assessing their own boss's case, as stupid as they are, they can also come to their own conclusion. Why is their conclusion that Chairman Wontumi be jailed? It is because they know that if they don't precondition the minds of MPP for Ghana for Afori na judgment in bar Ghana for said these are the facts. I don't know how the judgment is going to go. But listen, Yanko Wontumi radio so Nekoti Asembi.
But I must be honest, me case in the speed na case in the corner there. Let me very honest and candid. And then you see, I don't see how you bet him try nipa bako on so many churches, court 1, court 2, court 3.
That could be court to
It's never done anywhere. Sabinya na me chiro bi adwuma onye. Sabinya, but you know, media, men and kana me ya for Wontumi a. Nkada file a motion so omo consolidate. Because yes. And yana kwan so court 1 upon 1, no court 2. We don't do that. Yanyano sa. Anya samre, you can prepare the charge sheet. About me containing 500 charges. 1,000 charges. And found
because the team will be not charges near Bibri.
So Edana better quiet bina at the hard.
Samra boys.
Samra boy, dear no Basso Jordan. Now, we don't do that. That is not fair trial. That is not good trial. That is not proper trial. In all honesty. So I was suggesting Sabio without prejudice. At therefore, men can't say Bia and a lawyer for no year from so and yes, Anameka.
I didn't check now.
Yeah, I said, me, mom, I am a client. And I'll go out and you can go through Supreme Court to ensure, consolidate all the charges. Consolidate all the if it is 10,000 charges. I don't care. One court, one judge. But okay, we don't do that. Yeah, yeah, sir.
You see what they are doing? You see what they are doing? We, your friend Obiri Boahen. Tamani ye nyini okumase ne. Ya juso ni mnyansa tu. We Jimmy too. You see how they are conditioning the minds of Wontumi followers, MPP4, Ghana for the Biomo Jimmy. You see what he's saying? Oh, suddenly, on TSS Wontumi cases, no, yeah, free case, no, different court. Na case ne ko faster do. Penyinia with Jimmy. Oh, it's the kasa. Those times, time and yeah, akwa with radio so kasa no. Yeah, so a lecturer or a lawyer. Or kasa te said, or we could be da, or we could be hono da. Wontumi is facing a criminal. He's facing criminal charges. Criminal charges. Because I'm paying you as a lawyer. Mete say no, you brought your lawyer. Mete say yes, I brought your pamono. Apia could be or yet Wontumi lawyer no. He has been a lawyer for over 30 years. You don't think that Apia could have filed a charges or whatever he call it, motion to move the case, all the cases to one courtroom? Oje say Apia Kubi, who bring Boahen, unim edumacha Apia Kubi. Why a person or delay case nature Apia Kubi? But the fact of the case still remains. This is a criminal case. And Chairman Wontumi ebo krono in different places. Now, Chairman Wontumi were 10 cases. Yanswa case ni nyina begu judge ba akoso one courtroom. Inti one case was 70 witnesses. Na yebetena courta. Case 1 no ni atwen na Attorney General across examine 70 prosecution witness ni nyina. Na Attorney General so witness na Chairman Wontumi lawyer across examine 70 witnesses ni nyina. We are the same court no. Na yakwa discoveries. One case yenyan wie yo ni asaba, another case after 3 years. Obodam. Na Chairman Wontumi wate court to Ghana. Abofunu. You see, this is what they want. They want concurrent judgment. Send your beya. They are not okay in another person. Say, oh, Chairman Wontumi abokro no kra. Can bro the crown in bomb one court. Send your beya jailin bako. In Jakarta, Chairman Wontumi come 10 years. That means 13 criminal cases on him. He is going to serve them concurrently. Nina be serve the same. No. By way, any judicial system, no. From Titi, we have all known how it works. The Attorney General is looking at every case individually. Because Sadia Chairman Wontumi kwani enyire say miri forest no. And yet the same thing and no Samra boy. Chairman Wontumi kwaje exim fosika no. Wa anka se odikoye adwuma Samra boy. Eye exim fosika no kwaje ye. Inti Chairman Wontumi needs to stand trial. He needs to stand every case differently. It won't. This is what they do. Into also akotena TV so kwasia or man looking like you say obi na time Chairman Wontumi a ye the Chairman Wontumi akogina different court aye ne boni nyomo ye and now Chairman Wontumi entering different courtrooms because he has committed a lot of crimes. He needs to go to the court respectfully to do what? To answer to his crimes. Samra boy and I say nyini ehonya Samra boy ehonya exim bia ni location odi ni boni. And as we sit here, we have time as a nation to try every single criminal who has gone against the law. And you don't have to tell us, say, I didn't think Chairman Wontumi record A, Anopa, na court B. One a kofa baye. Near to baby na stone boy say, one a mokofa baye, Chairman Wontumi nye bibianko ra different court. Wo Obiri Boahen, when you tum se muchiasi. What the bonnet? So to ra different court. It is because you have avoided committing a crime. Inti nka mo betina TV so no makache Ghana for say sanka Chairman Wontumi anya bibi anka ndenka enya say ye di court akwaniaba ono kwa na e mine na Ghana. Is Chairman Wontumi the only miner in Ghana? Was Chairman Wontumi the only person who was mining in Ghana? Was Chairman Wontumi the only MPP member in Ghana? Kwasiafo Mojin say, you see, and this is what they do. And so Movement TV, Wontumi Radio, they have started conditioning the minds of Ghanaians. They have started conditioning the mind of Ghanaians. Oh, you see, I go can't Ghana for say, Chairman Wontumi ko jail. Inti edin kan chom send your beya. Say bia, assembly bani editiana. Na Ghana for start here so much Chairman Wontumi. That's what they are doing. They are basically creating that awareness. Now, we were in this country and the MPP are buying. Obiri Boahen, when him tuntum se muchiase. James Quesin daily trial start July 14 as motion for stay of proceedings refused. Yetena krom ha. MPP aban kache say James Kwachi Kwesen Ofori Canada. Ofori Canada. O say sesi ano ompeso be Canada ni obetena Ghana be boa Ghana no. Mo didi ko gina court se mo pese mo jaili no. Mo ka say debia obekọ court nkwasiafo. You did not have a problem. Obiri Boahen wenim tum se mu chi ase. Krasini. Asantifo di bi na ejimiti na mo tietie wo radio so na nka obi na adwuru mu da obewu se wo mental problem. Sa abrantie we not Canada no say no. Obani krom abe 7 krom. Mo didi ko gina court say debia ombra court every day of its life. 14th of July na mo start here. Judge tena courtroom ka say yes, ombra court daily every single day. Na mo nti krom ha. Obiri Boahen kwasiampe yi wehu. A foolish man. My mum penny for Madam Quasia for the Mugu Ghana and Quasia said on so Mo Yaria Monum can. Mokono no ma petition ya dia mo betina radio so monju no bia ho because mo bewu enti mo dem Jimmy na say yan chenchene na yan protect MPP Quasia bi di o man na bro kra yan protect no adan a ye de ye wo fafo emmoa mo tete Ghana ne Jimmy na mo dia beduru ha sa papa wait radio so okuma say onko school ko kira de na on kira de ne hu fin. Yetena kroma, did you have a problem with this? There was a point where there was daily prosecution of a Ghanaian. Wontumi po that's why lucky. Otumi ko court 1 week ni a journey 2 weeks no aba. Otu okem ochi. Mama chiro bibi. When you read this, maybe for the moon some you the main matter include the Samurai boy case, Chema Wontumi case no. A quantum mining case. He was charged in the High Court over allegation relating to illegal mining activities and facilitating unlicensed mining operations. He pleaded not guilty and was granted bail. That is one. Case 2, the Exim Bank fraud case. He later appeared before a different high court on charges including alleged fraud, money laundering, and causing financial loss in connection with Ghana Exim Bank matter. He also denied those charges and was granted bail. Wontumi went through the process. Chairman Wontumi, he went through the process. And so, who in their right senses, elevator radio, like I say, add in a case in the contentum, sir, add in a case, no, or file motion, Nayan can in boom in nine, mutim crass for TV, so I'm casting crass for ma. Munko school papa bia, and people in nine dorsum into a food to some, yet we can say, where do your lawyer, where do your lecturer, wait, daft. When an a bron your lawyer, a bron the passport, yeah, when the advisor bron you say, offer the passport in go see, a Obiri Boahen. Matesa abronya kwa so apam no wabon kwasi afo wi abronya wo fanie time e be chi abronya no kwasi ampe yi na ye ne lawyer busalisa dentin abronya se be mane nyola we ni advice abronya se onfa passport no kwoto embassy se ne be ya ye mani bail na odwane akwa abrochire we inti akwa we na advice abronya se oya abro minim se abronya apam no e se oni abronya ejibe we mu ejibe fo we they know nothing yetena Ghana Jimmy ni bia ba say doctor Jimmy ni bia boss me lawyer no na MPP mu na MPP de o ma Jimmy nti ade o mo pe ne se obeka so ye lawyer or ye doctor MPP ni kwasia me say MPP ni osaye kwasia e kire wante lawyer e kire wante doctor and de we o twen kro de to me be ma that is the MPP Nanado Danko Ekufuado. We were asking the Ekufuado of his education, his background, his credentials. Yani atiti so bi anka so president Ekufuado ka so president de busa say uko school wen MPP for them say for the certificate, but the multitude, the foolish masses, the tribal raccoons, the stupid, dirty people came together and said, "Yepe Kufuado, kwasiafo obedi president no o yusu musa mo amodwa bubu ofu." Yetra busa say the certificate when or so or a lawyer. Adia MPP ni chiri so obeti say lawyer no adane otwen. Me say wona muwuram na ko hu MPP ni na hu wo wa Cobra chechire MPP ni boduam. Now ni Cobra and Nkoko because Cobra no sebio Cobra no MPP ni were dangerous chain Cobra 30. I'm telling you because omwe Jimmy they can't reason. Na obi a we Jimmy a wo chen say we Jimmy a won chen say we Jimmy. We ye Jimmy sem kra wo ka che na wo so we Jimmy. That is the problem. Una mu wurom na ko hu Cobra. Wo wo kakraka obemene na hu MPP ni o shirt ekuta gele. Masa, the nkan chichire sa MPP ni boduam na de dangerous say sebio osaya asantini chichire ni boduam na jana wo ho na ne wo no nkoko first because MPP ni no or ye dangerous say Cobra na 30,000 or ye dangerous MPP ni ba ko a onima de wa bon na adwene wo fom or ye tribalistic sebio ombu nipa a oka bibia che na wonte a wajimi or ye dangerous chen wo 30,000 and that is the MPP you are seeing today. Omo Jimmy too. Owoja. Kevin Taylor, yan tiasia, then I'll be oh bodam. Yes, me John Wana. When you're diabra, tell me some tia. Oh funu. Jimmy, I'll be right back.
Atamfo ya nyami, atamfo ya nyami, atamfo ya nyami. Mi enyela je numajibo, onyami ogbe kokoko. Atamfo ya nyami ko, atamfo yo atamfo. Atamfo ya nyami. Mi enyela je numajibo. Kajo gbe mi ni gbo, wo ba gbogbo. Kajo gbe mi ni gbo, wo ba gbogbo. Àtẹ̀hún gàgbéje, ìrànlọ́hún gàgbéje, mi ò jẹ́ mi ò gbé kọ̀kọ̀kọ̀. Atamfo ya nyami ko, atamfo yo atamfo. Atamfo ya nyami. Mi ejela je numajibo, onyami ogbe kokoko. Atamfo ya nyami ko, atamfo yo atamfo. Atamfo ya nyami. Mi ejela je numajibo, onyami ogbe kokoko. Kajo gbe mi ni gbo, wo ba gbogbo. Anyami kajo gbe mi ni gbo, wo ba gbogbo. Àtẹ̀hún gàgbéje, ìrànlọ́hún gàgbéje, mi ò nyami ogbe kokoko.
Shamak Israel Yehovah, Elahenu Yehovah Ekad, we ahata et Yehovah, Elohika bika luvika, uvika navashika, uvika miyopika, tode yashach, in English, in the name of Shamak Israel Yehovah, Elahenu Yehovah Ekad, we ahata et Yehovah, Elohika bika luvika, uvika navashika, uvika miyopika, tode yashach, in English. Shamak Israel Yehovah, Elahenu Yehovah Ekad, we ahata et Yehovah, Elohika bika luvika, uvika navashika, uvika miyopika, tode Elahenu Yehovah Ekad, we ahata et Yehovah, we ahata et Yehovah, we ahata et Yehovah.
We are hata we are hata or the Jewish language. Kwasi apenyiwe. We are hata. We are me worry you new. First day my wife tell they would so serious. We are hata we are hata or the Jew. Me Jew ni na me worry no. I took a Jew lesson 6 months and said me worry me. Yeah. Me take Jewish lessons 6 months and said me worry me. Jew ni fita na me ware no. We are hata nyina won kase mpaye ni we are hata. We are hata. Kwase ampenyi mentally onye stable. Na oda ho ko radio so ye di ne ho agro. Ye te kuro nim akọ ye jim ye te ewurade nyankopon. Empire obo we are hata nyina wo we are hata nyina wo we are hata. Kwase ampenyi onim nyansa we jim ye je say he mameka bi nchiro. Chema Wontumi ohun. Without due respect to people with disability, and I say autistic people, and conform what and Kora Sibio, autism kakra. Chema Wontumi, he's on the line of autism. Without due respect to Sanko Fono, I know, please. I'm trying to say something here. Chema Wontumi, Nenai Bakuha, and a Baku counter Atra autistic. He's on the line. I own steady. I know sometimes, no, much now I'm shenipa. Shiny deep. The way he answers his questions, his body, when language, when he's speaking, or pulling a con, Chema Wontumi, or you're autistic. Without due respect to people who have autistic people in their family or who have autism, family and without due respect to you people. But I'm trying to make a point here. The guy is not there yet. But so who is Chairman Wontumi keka? Me body video be nyabo trena share ye. You will see it. It is in there. And sometimes people, and this is the person or person be national chairman of the NPP. NPP will say, yeah, oh Jimmy. Me see, uyi Cobra any MPP niya. Din kan ku MPP ni ja Cobra no.
Shamak Israel Yehovah. Elahenu Yehovah Ekat. We ahata et Yehovah. Elohika bika luvika. Uvika navashika. Uvika miyopika. Tode yasach. Tode yasach. Shamak Israel Yehovah. Elahenu Yehovah Ekat. We ahata et Yehovah. Elohika bika luvika. Uvika navashika. Uvika miyopika. Tode yasach. Tode yasach. Shamak Israel Yehovah. Elahenu Yehovah Ekat. We ahata et Yehovah. 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 Elohika bika luvika. We ahata et Yehovah. Elohika bika luvika. We ahata et Yehovah. Elohika bika luvika.
Elovika hika luvika. Eya peteshi. Eya ju for peteshi. Elovika luvika. Eya wi for peteshi. Ju for peteshi. Wait, Jimmy too. Uko share MPP ni wo wurem. Ene wo watchere ben kakraka. Dinkan mantam MPP ni no mantam ni bodan mu eduam ansa na woku wo no because woko ja MPP ni no kokun wo ni MPP ni bekum MPP ni haircut nyina wom empire obo haircut nyina wom sa ne tete Ghana yeso son kwasi asem so na manfo mon airtime na enkwasi asem say ya ne temu for 8 years e go for Jimmy omo ho sa teta omo ho omo Jimmy omo ho Ghana no manu to so nsuo na we ne na we tiem na ne temu 8 years ekufo ado da Bawumia ya concert chema Wontumi huri we ku we 8 years ejimi sa na ekufo ado ba nam ha na we amwakwata tete ne hwo ho chese jimi sa 8 years na po begina no ojimi chese we nwo bia no nim nyansa o party nim 8 years ye wunyansani o party nim we finish we finish to we obi ejimi hwe enne nkora mo party nim hwe and man here by next year no ex-convicts and the party because the party cannot tell them the truth. They don't even understand the politics they are into. They don't even understand. They are just party from limited liability rats. Novashika. May I petition you for petition? What's your sum? Ain't Mamaka been Chamo? Chama won't to be called for that they are preparing your minds. May I be a minimum judgment to be about? Yen I uncle court. Attorney General, Chama won't to be in the Defense Council, Judge, no, minim. Me as I sit here, minim be about Chama won't to miss judgment. So I can't sit here and predict. Or I can't sit here and even pronounce and say, Chairman, I want to be Koji. I don't know. It's up to the court. The court decides. And then I can say, share the amount of privileges that Chairman want to enjoy. Time or status or court. When did Chairman Wontumi lawyers ever say Chairman Wontumi was not given the chance to speak or to make his grievances heard in court? That Ben out is say, appear could be a case nibi. Open nipa when you fair trial power Ghana Chairman Wontumi. Chairman Wontumi himself cannot stand anywhere and say through the process, he was abused by the court. Chairman Wontumi at the point, yet court no kuta paper already free. Judge po when jailino. Chairman Wontumi at the point na okuta apo court a son name already a document no. Chairman Wontumi was given one of the fair trials in the history of Ghana. Apia Kubi never came out once to say, my client, we asked for this, we didn't get it. When Chairman Wontumi wanted to appeal any decision, the court allow Chairman Wontumi to appeal. When Chairman Wontumi wanted to go to appeals court, when he wanted to go to a high court, Supreme Court, Chairman Wontumi exhausted everything when it comes to the court proceedings. He exhausted everything. Nobody obstructed the justice. Chairman Wontumi was given every single thing. Chairman Wontumi you baby and say court this is no. And Chairman Wontumi you know anytime I say people deserve free trial or fair trial. Every single Ghanaian deserves fair trial. And it's in the same way. Andra, when I broke the news here, I said, Mami way, I a friend of a year Sedina, Tamakloe, a year America for the Naba Ghana. She was basically sentenced in absentia. Tama, yes, sentenced in a Mami no niho. And the Mami way about court, a waba Ghana back. She needs to serve her sentence. Now, the lawyers take another step. It is not up to me to decide whether this woman, the case, uncle in Sawum, the law is there already. We all know it as we speak. The woman or the lawyers, they are going to court to do what? To overturn the 10-year sentence. It is up to the court. It is not me. The same way Chairman Wontumi has been given fair trial throughout. Say Obi Ekojina court. Sebio ende ye boa Obi kumfo. Na the lawyers appeal sa kumfo na Ghana mra say they have the right to appeal it. Appeal does not mean you win. And as we speak, Emrani e clear. Sende Chairman Wontumi Eko court. Na Sebio, I'm not saying dear baby anokase ebia and they say Jelly Chairman Wontumi. He can appeal it. So we need to understand. We need to allow the law to work. The same way, say to me, Kenofurata ba Ghana. Kenofurata should be given a fair trial. He needs to also stand before the court. Kenofurata needs to be given a fair trial. Everybody deserves fair trial. I will say Obia Ede etumi babe jina court nenim. Say court nika say okodefia. So this woman has been jailed. She needs to go to court. But the lawyers was something to say. It is up to them. It is not up to me to decide. It is between the lawyers and the court. That is their job. But what I want to say, then they say, every single person should understand, say, when they stand before the court, they deserve fair trial. We need to make sure Emran na ye diso. And see, sometimes we catch an MP before say, today we are all happy. This woman is back because it was the court that did its job. Now, why is the MPP not happy? Say, Kenofurata too will come to Ghana and also stand before the court, which we believe is handing over fair trial to Ghanaians. Because it was the same court that gave this woman 10 years. But you know one interesting thing? One interesting thing, they say, a MPP for former Attorney General, Ekotina Radio so, Ewa Sempa, or say, Sedina Tamakloe's extradition in free US by does not guarantee Ofori's return. You see, MPP for no, they are saying say it does not matter. Almost started the process of bringing Sedina Tamakloe to Ghana. Almost to me accomplishes our process no. Godfrey Dame any abranti we and started say Sedina Tamakloe almost fanimra no kode fiase. And ye Sedina Tamakloe aba obeface court no okode fiase. Ye busa sankofo we abiem say na Kenofurata ya de na omba almost say no de and guarantee say o say keneba ken tina brochiri. That is the NPP for you. Now you understand. The same MPP know they started this process. Omotimi Akofa said in Amaba, Omotimi Eddie Chairman the America for the Naba, she needs to go serve her jail term. Now the same MPP, so fair trial now, almost said in Tamakloe Femuno. Can Oforiata Mra no for the same fair trial? Almost no. Can Oforiata is not coming to Ghana. Omanga's Attorney General this was the Attorney General under his watch, and Omujeli said in Tamakloe 10 years. It was this guy. And the Okotina Radio, so or see the NPP, we are going to tell you people, sending them about it does not guarantee second of Furata Baba, Kenofurata Antina Bruchile, Kotodi and the budget. This is the MPP. This is what we call the MPP. So per MPP, when we wouldn't know who we for toilet MPP, no, they are full of shit. So what's the MPP? When we wouldn't know who say we for a buying. We for toilet is why and any MPP they are full of shit. They are people, they have no principle. They eat like pigs. They don't care what it is. You see, Today they are here, tomorrow they are here. They don't follow any principle. A party full of foolish people. They don't care. It's not about what you think. It's about how they think. And people, you cannot reason with them because you don't know Jimmy. They can't have from so where did you matter? I am one of them. Many omune nyini Monsieur Mokasa. Many omune ko school nyini I know these people. And I didn't mean MPP ni catch say and this is for the nyansa na mo support omo. I am still an MPP. My catch they are foolish people. I know my people. Many omune nyini I grew up with these people, MPP. I know the MPP than anybody else in Ghana. Yeah, they are my people. I know these people. Sir, upon Cheney Frisu, I catch us MPP near Ejimia, men can be asre because MPP for Jimmy. Onam Wurem, Onam Kokwase, now Komusa a toilet is wa, and then the MPP, they are full of shit. That is the MPP. They are wastes. They don't have any brains. They don't care. They don't follow any principle. They don't fucking care. I don't mean for the past 8 years. The idea here today is MPP today is on TV or radio telling Ghana for say to me momo in less than 2 years old. One can say MPP were in power for 8 years. MPP were in power for 8 years. Ghana for Komu. DDEP, we saw everything. Obiri in less than 2 years, the MPP are on the standby telling us, it means they don't respect us. We say, Jimmy, we saw for 8 years. We saw everything. We saw the abuse of power, the disrespect to the rule of law. We saw corruption, broad daylight, disrespect from the first president and the second president. How the president's wife, the vice president's wife, they took illegal salary. Like we saw president's wife on Nema Ekobie Foundation, no Muria Abansika. We saw vice president's wife, ultimate private jet, no India Kumbaja. Who president ba $2 million, $23 million painting contract. We saw a president whose cousin is the finance minister. Tam COVID-19 Sika. Now president rent jets. All because we saw how deliberate abuse of power, how we saw young people, we saw people being killed on the street of Ghana because of power. We saw how people in office abused office, how we had parties for passing COVID levy. We saw everything. We saw the abuse. We saw the disrespect for Gabi Ochadako. We saw all these people. Bounty. We saw the Japadie, they put together a plan to go sell everything outside. We saw how they manipulated elections. We saw everything under NPP and your boy election results 8 times. This is under NPP. Today, in less than 2 years, they are telling us it means they don't respect our intelligence. They don't respect our intelligence. How the dollar from 3 went to 17 and over. How petrol went all the way to 23. How GDP went all the way to $1 trillion. How inflation hit about 57. How capital interest rate was over 30. This is the MPP. We saw an MPP that said they have introduced gold for oil to drop the price of fuel, to drop the price of other things. We carried raw gold, gave it to a third party, Alpha Stream, to take to Dubai. We carried Ghana's gold under Bawumia, gave it to a Lebanese to travel to Dubai with the gold, come back with dirty oil. These are things we witnessed under the leadership of the MPP. And today, these people get on the sidelines and they are telling us, we should forget. Jesus Christ. Go for me and Kwasiafo, I tell you.
Yama o kwan se be yejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obia be yejuma yi na sese o tena abonten se yama o kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se Ghana for be penisa. Yama o kwan se be yejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obia be yejuma yi na sese o tena abonten se yama o kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se Ghana for be penisa.
MPP.
If you answer the MPP for need couple, MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need couple. Jimmy pa. Jimmy omo Jimmyana MPP. If you answer the MPP for need couple, MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need couple. Jimmy pa. Jimmy omo Jimmyana MPP. If you answer the MPP for need couple, MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need couple. Jimmy pa. Nkwasiafo pa. My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy. Me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Nkwasiafo pa. My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy. Me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Nkwasiafo pa. My Jimmy MPP for Jimmy. Me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. MPP. If you answer the MPP for need couple, MPP now come. Read my lips. MPP. If you answer, omu need couple. Jimmy pa. Jimmy omo Jimmyana.
That is a reality. No crane wa catch them no. Because we read the MPP for a long time. He knows them. Actually, we Jimmy no be the MPP. Wa catch them. This is a man or the seeker. Na ho odin ni nyansa de support party Ofori be catch motives and kofo we Jimmy. He told us when Obigina TV so no can akankasem say ono oye MPP ni not ya bruchire e na obe join MPP no o se o ka kire mo enkofo ne Jimmy nyansa omunibi. This is a man who is a self-made man. Sani ebete ye keka e no anya ni sika and nobody be support to MPP for. And the Wabetina so catch us MPP for Jimmy. I'll catch him Kevin Taylor say, men can't Ghana for MPP mra power. Na me Jimmy. Me Jimmy. I am being honest with you. So Canada Japan onim so much Jimmy. And all catch you. Now, mami we are some buy no. The presidency released a statement through the spokesperson of the presidency. Attorney General to meet U.S. Department of Justice for bilateral discussions on all pending extradition requests. It's the end Honorable Ofusukwachi at the Assembly to or say, Mame Sedina Tamakloe U.S. government Edinaba Ghana no extraditing no. The krata bi so etoto na krata ni nyina say America for say omo pese omo share Attorney General of Ghana. Bedi nkomo bi afa Ghana fo a sebio omo ho nsem abedi abeka omo abedi abrochire a sebio Ghana pese yede omo nyina eba Ghana ebegina edien emra ano na omo kasa no omo say omo nim se Ghana fo dodo a omo bokro no Ghana fo pe omo so omo be fie abeyi omo ho ano no bebre wo obokrom na esi ano omo ye krado se omo pese omo ne eye Ghana Attorney General na etenase na omo di insawoso di nkomo no mu ekwan a omo befa so a Ghana fo bi ti second Ofori Atta mo ene omo mo ho a enim so omo bokro no omo di omo beba Ghana na utie eye ana okenkan ensema eye kwachofosu editu dwa ende anopa na o say eye in April 2024 the High Court convicted and sentenced Sedina Tamakloe Atieno in absentia. In July 2024, the government of Ghana submitted an extradition request to the United States of America for her surrender to Ghana to serve her sentence. After over 2 years of court proceedings, the United States authorities notified the government of her surrender in January this year. She arrived in Accra on Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. Officials of the Ghana Police Service and the Ghana Prison Service have taken her into custody and are making the necessary preparations for her to begin her sentence. Meanwhile, the Attorney General is scheduled to meet his counterparts at the United States Department of Justice for a bilateral discussion on all pending extradition requests between the two countries. Attorney General of Ghana any US Attorney General no almost schedule meeting on Mobishia extradition a call left and a saba right US for air penko phobia beso omo free US ebegina court to Ghana and a Ghana so hia Ghana phobia omo US a omo pese omo ba Ghana ye de omo ba no begina court no enti Attorney General of Ghana say omo pese obushia US for na ato mo sa from so omo tenase na se bi o yemfa papa ye ento papa ye se Ghana de bi o Ghana e wo se de ne ba eye de abrochire na obeyi nsem no because ebi akro no bi oboye na ompese omo ne Extradition tenase na omo ti omo ho ase e na se eye Ghana de bi o US na se wabebo kro no o Ghana na ye pene ma na be yi ne ho ano a o se Extradition no ene Ghana Extradition no etenase na omo ti omo ho ase na ye exchange no it is substitution by the clean tactics and ebekoso. Substitution by clean tactics, substitution through diplomacy, substitution that brings the accountability and non ebekoso between the US government, the Attorney General in the United States, and the Attorney General in Ghana. Substitution through diplomatic means, substitution by clear means, substitution by law enforcement. And non ebekoso US for and so edi omano asem atuga. Now, you see, at a point, from my checks, Ibrahim Mahama, he spent close to over $200 million to just do what we call exploration or something at a Yini bauxite. Ibrahim Mahama put so much money just to find where the bauxite is. MPP ba power, Mahamudu Bawumia, Eshe Eyedien, or Sheshe MPP, and everything possible to bring his fellow Northerner down. Bawumia and making sure Ibrahim Mahama and you bauxite, he lost that deal. Bawumia that is the job of Bawumia. Oh, you're a very diabolic human being. Nipa boni ni biya ne say. So that is what Bawumia, that was the plan. Or buy no manufacture plan no. And okay, so muji free nisem teni nipa boni ni, he took the thing from this guy. And he took it to where? He took it to China. Went to give it to the Chinese. Because that or person yire elevate to say Arabian queen. Because the yire nika say omutuo obebutuo. And omutam Ghana sika. And they demand omo. They finished the money. Today, menotie enyini bauxite away. You see the nonsense that we have lived with. The problem Ibrahim Mahama say. The problem Ibrahim Mahama John Mahama. We forgot about his experience. Ibrahim Mahama was into mining before John Mahama became president. We forgot about what he's going to contribute to Ghana employment. We forgot about the infrastructure contribution. We forgot about helping this economy. A Ghanaian, Nana Dankwe Kufuor Bawumia catch Kufuor on cancel Ibrahim Mahama deal. Legitimate deal. They cancelled it. And Omucha editone so John Mahama nia. Sa Akwawe Bawumia or one of the most dangerous politicians in Ghana. You people have no idea. Upobi vindictive because Bawumia and they in the power no. Sa they ever ready battery and they in the shadow too. Into ono Bawumia, he's not a man. And anytime we say what is Bawumia? He cannot think as a man who is in charge. He does not have that. And that is the damage they did to Ghana. Until let's step back a little bit. It's in Ibrahim Mahama, all his experience, his investment from 2017 and Kejanaman year and accounting baby a Ghana for a lot of UMAT students, a lot of students who wanted to go into mining, excavation. Do you know, Anka, the amount of brains I are picking, wealth I are creating for 7 to 8 years? Bawumia and for this. We are still here. We are back to square one. And the San Kwasiafo, we can just say, Abano, Abani Nyejuma. Kwasiafo, they are sitting on the sidelines. Today, Bawumia wants to speak against government. For 8 years, these people messed us up. They fucking messed us up. And that is what I want you to understand. Miracle, I have nothing to lose. They be a catch Ghana for nothing at all. The power is 10 times. I can come to Ghana. Nobody can do me foco. But it's about you. The group now from MPP, no. This little Enkrantia People's Party, no. This party filled with Enkrantia, the Enkrantia People's Party. You need to be careful about them because it is not about you. It is about what they can make out of Ghana. It's about how they can enrich themselves. Now, I'm saying, no more took a calm, no be a hyper, obia kasa, because I'm not done with Kufuor. I'll come back to Kufuor. That is me. I strategize what I do. Oh, now I'm a preke Kufuor. Obia Obiri. Obia kasa decided what them. Nobody could challenge a single document I put on my show. I'll come back again. Because until my dissecting of war to the last bridge, I'm not done. So the part one na me am in second no me ye ni say afena me be ye ni say. What I did to Kufuor was this. Afena me be in this. So you people, you need to be ready for us. And we are not coming here out of hatred and not personal attack. We are coming here with the fact, with the document to prove to Ghana for in Mebrunin Penifo say in Kofobi Bedi Yasomu Ye. They are from the MPP. Omunkokura, any omunkwara, any omomotozi say omunniminyansa omundo Ghana. We are not supposed to give them any room again. That is the principle. It is not personal. It is not like I hate. It is about the principle. It's about the facts. I'll be back. I know my job. I keep telling Ghana for say what I do here for Ghanaians to prepare themselves for general elections. I'm not doing this to place base. No, there are two forms of communication. You can communicate to place your base, and you can communicate to win power and keep government and keep a democracy and make sure development becomes the hallmark of a nation. And that is the part I take. I always make sure my message is to change minds positively, to protect an economy, a democracy, and to sustain area and crew. That is the communication I do. Intimeno, I am above San Kwaran Kwaranyoma Yakuma we award me. I don't do that. And it's not me Kufuor say no me did no. I know. Because this job I do is about timing. When you get a timing wrong, this job becomes useless. You need to understand. You need to understand. Say a Juma way, you want to be a journalist, you want to be a podcast, what? You need the timing. If the timing is wrong, and the timing, unless you have the experience and understand in someone and what you are putting out, even picking a document to put in the system, it needs to be timed well. Because if you understand your people, you know how they think. You know how they accept in summer. You wait for when their system is ready for the truth. Sebio, ejado bitrim, nibewu, asama tono. That is not the time I don't di old school komo. Uni ko di time I di 17 years. Woko club hon komo. Uni ko di komo a. That is the time you relax. You take your time. You mourn with the person. After the person is out of grieving, you wait for a day that the person's star is out. Then you tell them a funny story. Then you caution them with their past. And that is the job we do here. I understand this job. I know what to say at what time. My timing is very important to me. That is why I have a very good team who know when to say what at what time and what time to say it. We know what we are doing. And the good thing is, whatever we put out here or put out there, it is with fact. And it's sustained. And it makes the impact. We don't just sit here. There are so many people who do what I do. They don't have a plan. They don't know what they are doing. They don't even know who they are communicating to. But if you understand what you are doing, if you want to reach Ghanaians with the truth, you need to understand who a Ghanaian is, how a Ghanaian thinks, what a Ghanaian needs at what time. And that is the principle of this job. That is the principle of this job. Because in Ghana, what the journalists do is say, oh, it's not TV so now they precondition your minds about allegation they're about to put out there. Inti ukotie radio bia obetina hona odi nka prepare wa adwene say obetwa attractional inti udi na chiri nyina na de okani nyina, you are not asking him for the facts. And that has been the basic understanding of a Ghanaian journalist. Most of them, the Jandam ones, they prepare your minds. They precondition their minds into Unimjon Mahama, MPP, okay, JJ Rawlings. So they precondition Nipa mind. So no, you need to understand the preconditioning of your mind, should force you to ask questions. Into most of them radio, you can see said 90% of the TV radio stations, hosts, they don't have mind to even discuss issues. So the whole thing is that, Ojina was saying, Wajuni was saying, some way they themselves cannot sit, do the research, work with their team, bring you the facts and defend it. They can't do it because it's a lot of work. You need intelligent people to be able to do what I'm doing. And internet, so many people have tried to do what I do. They can't because the commitment needs to be there. You need to understand that what you are doing is not personal. It is basically telling the truth. It is a software why ready so you are going to offend a lot of people. But if it is genuine, if you are really doing the work of God, every single word that comes from your mouth will hurt. And that is the principle of the word. So for your papa be assembly be free wenuma baby and ekanipa na koma. So and that is what a real man of God does. They don't sugarcoat words. They don't make you feel comfortable. They always want you to understand that you are into this and this is what you are doing. You need to refrain from it. And that is what I do here. So when I sit here, it is not about preparing or preconditioning your mind to make jandam. No, I am here to direct you. I'm here to show you the fact. I'm here to let you understand. Say, dear me, you know, maintain papa. Maintain one na ba na ejimi ameka chenso with Jimmy. O papa nim nyansa ameka chenso nim nyansa. But I will not just say it and walk. I will use the evidence, the facts to prove to you say one na or part with Jimmy. And that is what you need to understand. And it's just so many people have tried what I do. They can't do it because one, you need a clear heart and a clear conscience to do this job. Unya kuma pa. Any adwene mudaho, any akuma power with a dull mind to do what I do, because you cannot sit here with conflicting mind. You can't do this job. You can't be honest with the people. You can't tell them the truth. You cannot open the minds of the people, because to open the mind of people who have been lied to for long, you need to be blunt. You need to be honest. You need to be very factual with your evidence. You cannot sit here and try to cover shit up. You can't do that. And then the Biamikache Ghana for. I keep telling you people, the NDC is not a perfect government, but from what we have seen over the last 32 to 36 years, between the NDC and MPP, I would choose a social democratic party that thinks about the plight of the people than to go with these property-owning animals calling themselves a tribal party, the NPP. Never, because they don't think about you. They don't care about the Ghanaian. They don't care about how you feel. It's about politics. It is politics as usual. Yankabi, yanyomundin komo, yantonyom, nomoma etumi, na yamfa enye japade. That is not governance. These are very bad people. The NPP is a bad thing. They are a killing machine. They don't care. It's about where they are from. It's about their language. It's about who they think they are. It is not about you, the collective people, where you are from, who you are, your back. The MPP is about how your name sounds, who respects you, which house you are coming from, which clan you are part of. These people have the right to say this and these people don't have. That is the NPP. That is the modus operandi. They are always asking of your name first before they address you. The NPP is a congress. It's a collection of different people from different backgrounds. Northerners, Easterners, Westerners. Every single individual with great mind who is ready to support, educated or non-educated. The NDC is open for ideas and to build. And that is why I've chosen to speak in support of the vision of the NDC than the vision of the MPP. Because the vision of the MPP is very mild. It's a queer mind. It's a selfish one. That is why when I sit here, it is not personal. For you to know the truth. Whatever you do with the truth, I don't fucking care. It will fight your conscience. This is my job. This is what I do. This is what I do for a living. And God being good, He has blessed me with a lot of things that I can add to my show for you to listen to me and know that this is the truth. That's the fact.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edu Boahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,